Glass with windows break, glow softly in the golden light. The peaches ripe and sweet and round. Their juicy fragrance all around. They drip their nectar golden stream into the flask that softly gleam. The bottles wake with crystal bright. For peachy scents they'll hold inside. The air is filled with velvet sweet. Like summer winds on Orchard Street, the perfume swirls a gentle song that carries all the day along. The scientists in aprons neat, with careful hands the scents repeat. They mix the drops with floral cheer, till peachy clouds of smell appear. The foxes sniff, the rabbits grin. The perfume makes the air so thin. Grin, the perfume makes the air so thin. It sparkles bright with fruity hue. A golden mist of peachy dew. The bottles glow with rosy shine, each one a treasure pure, divine. They wear small bows so soft, so fair, a gift of fragrance made with care. The children giggle, lift each lid, and sniff the scents the peaches hid. Their eyes grow wide, they twirl with glee. The perfume hums in harmony. Sunshine. So if you smell a peachy breeze that drifts along with gentle ease, it may have come from labs so sweet, where peaches make perfume complete.
Is it working? Is it working?
Cheerio! Next stop, adventure! A lemon bright, so sharp, so neat, was rolling quickly down the street. His doors cut out with zesty care. It called, hop in, I'll take you there. Its rind so shiny, yellow gold, became a taxi quick and bold. Its wheels were made of lemon slice that rolled along so fresh, so nice. The children laughed and climbed inside. The taxi beeped and zipped with pride. Its horn went toot with citrus cheer. The lemons zoomed both far and near. It sped past houses tall and bright. It glowed beneath the moon at night. Its headlights sparkled, rind aglow. It beeped at flowers lined in row. The lemons sang a tangy song. Its ride was short, it zipped along. The wind blew zest through starry skies, a citrus cloud before their eyes. It turned through lanes both left and right. Its peel wheel squeaked but held on tight. It bounced through puddles, splashed with glee. A tangy ride for you and me.
Absolutely brilliant, old boy.
Wow, look at all the ducks down there.
It stopped beside a meadow tall. It shouted, taxi, who will call? The children waved one final spin and clapped their hands as they climbed in. The lemon rolled through rainbow streams. It carried joy, it carried dreams. Its seeds went click with every mile. Its juicy glow, a citrus smile. At last it parked by starlit skies, with sleepy kids and twinkling eyes. It whispered softly, rest my friend. The lemon taxi's at its end. So if you hear a citrus beep and smell sweet zest while fast asleep, a lemon taxi might be near to take you home with love and cheer.
Lemon zest in the air. Look up, you might just catch the lemon taxi there.
A pomegranate bright and red, sprouted wings above its head. Its seeds lit up
like glowing lights, a plane for kids on dreamy nights. The rhyme became a body strong. It hummed a fruity flying song. The wings grew leafy, long and wide. The seats shone bright from side to side.
Next stop,
Come
the
fly with
land of
me,
stars and
softly hum. The engines roar, the cockpit thumb. The children climb through doors of peel. With ruby seats they'd laugh and squeal. The airplane soared into the skies with twinkling seats for glowing eyes. It left behind a sparkling trail, a ruby store, a fruity sail. Cotton cream, it dipped into a starry dream. Its shining sea blinked red and white, like windows glowing through the night. It swirled through moons of silver glow. It looped around with twinkle show. The children clapped their hearts so light inside the fruit that soared in flight. It raced with comets far away. It winked at planets on display. The rind comes off, the wings stretch far. It whispered, home is where you are.
Ready for flight once more. Ready for the rainbow then? Here we go. It's brilliant. The rain tastes like pineapple. It's absolutely brilliant. Try the golden juice.
The pomegranate tilted low, its glowing seeds still all aglow. It landed soft in morning's hue, its skies above of pearly blue. The rind unzipped, the door swung wide. The children tumbled out with pride. They waved goodbye to fruit so dear that carried dreams from far to near. So if you spot red sparks at night that twinkle softly out of sight, it's just a plane of ruby seeds fulfilling children's flying needs.
Look at the sparks. Goodbye. It's beautiful. See you soon.
I heard a noise beneath my bed, a creaky sound that filled my head. Eyes so wide I couldn't see. Is it a monster after me? I peek below with trembling knees. It's just my shoes and scrunched up tees. No scary claws, no monster's feet, just my socks beneath the sheet. Then I heard a growly sound. My heart went thump. I looked around, but oh, it wasn't what it seemed. It's just the cat who softly dreamed. A shadow moved upon the wall. It looked so big it made me stall. I whispered low, please let it be. Oh wait, it's just my teddy. See, my curtain flapped, it made me jump. My tummy did a funny thump. But when I looked, what did I find? The breeze was blowing sweet and kind. Full heart. I heard a creak behind my chair. I thought, oh no, is something there? But when I checked, I laughed with glee. It's Daddy sneaking up on me. The closet door began to squeak. I hid my face and couldn't peek. Then Mama smiled and said, don't fear, it's just your clothes and shoes in here. I thought I saw two glowing eyes. They twinkled bright, a fun surprise. But when I stared a little more, it's stars outside, not monsters roared. Now every night I laugh instead. No monsters live beneath my bed. I close my eyes, I feel so strong. My sleepy song keeps me along. So if you hear a bump or creak, don't be scared, just take a peek. It's not a monster you will see, just little things like you and me. I heard a pink, pink, pink.
Okay, here's the deal. Never trust a bloke who doesn't like fish much.
Ring a ring a tomorrow.